Today I got a 1971 Corvette finished in factory correct Ontario orange with saddle interior. I'm going to walk around it, tell you more about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. So if you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more. So here we go. 1971 Corvette, finished in its factory correct color combination, Ontario orange with saddle interior, now saddle leather interior, so it's a little more luxurious. Number matching 454, 365 horsepower. I will open the hood now. Power disc brakes, power steering. It's a factory AC car, but it's not hooked up, but it's free spinning. Long time owner. I think he owned it since '95. He had it painted. He had the drivetrain rebuilt. And then he just recently, oh my gosh, there's a bug on my ear. He just recently had the trailing arms rebuilt and the front suspension redone. So he's been taking care of it for sure. The thing I think is really cool, I didn't even touch it, this original overflow canister in original condition. I think that's really, really cool. So anyway, I'll hop into it now. The hood is in excellent condition. I think there's one little mark right there in the paint. And actually, you know what? One other little mark right there. No checking on the hood. The bumper's probably original, so there's a little bit of pitting in there. Kind of like I said on one of the cars before, a little bit of that white dot coming through. But the paint is high quality. It is smooth as silk. Very beautiful car, really. Rally wheels, white letter tires. Paint does look like glass. There's a little touch up right on this, because this is metal. On this one, a little touch up right there. T-tops, excellent condition. All the glass is excellent. Trim molding down below is in nice condition. You know what? There's a little flake in paint on this metal piece. I know that's susceptible to that. That's a common thing. The doors open and close easy. Nice and clean. And nicely painted. Again, this door panel, door jamb, I can't even think. Nice condition as well. A little wear around that, but of course, it slams into it every time. Saddle door panel. Trim tags in place. The leather interior, real nice condition, not worn down. It's got some of those wrinkles on there, it happens, but firm and the way it should be. Clean carpet on both sides. And he put a different radio in there, but I have the original radio that's included. Corvette steering wheel. Nice gauges. Gauge cluster, and the shifter, as you see down here, 454, 365 horsepower, 8.5-to-1 compression, 460 pounds of torque. It is its number matching motor. Dash pad has no cracks in it. And the inners of the T-tops are nice too. So according to this guy, he painted it in '95. Now, I'm very surprised that it's this beautiful. Obviously, he's taken care of it. Considering he's rebuilt the drivetrain, suspension, stuff like that over time. So he has been maintaining it nicely. When you get a lot of long-time owners, sometimes they let things go on the cars. They're like, oh, I've had it for this long, I'll let it go. Well, 25 years, no, 30 years I believe, because he said he had it painted in 95. Back chrome bumpers are nice as well. Just a couple little marks on there, and same for this side. Back is beautiful. New exhaust as well, Magnaflow, so it sounds really nice. One little chip right there. Back deck is excellent. You can see it in the video. You see the reflection coming off. And that rear glass is also in nice condition. It's got an aluminum radiator, and I have its original factory radiator that's included. And it runs cool. It runs real cool. When I got it, I was so excited because it was an automatic. I drove it around for a while, and I was like, oh my gosh, this thing runs amazing. It was cool. I was very confident in taking it around without even going through it. Making sure that it was dialed in and ready to go. I just got in. I was a little confident in my purchase, to say the least. So, like I said, 71 Corvette, number matching 454, 365 horsepower, turbo 400 automatic, power steering, power disc brakes, factory correct Ontario orange with leather, saddle leather interior, excuse me. Like a couple of nicks on this piece of metal again, and a touch-up right there. It is, like I said, factory AC. It's not hooked up though, but it spins, so the compressor is not seized. Very factory correct engine compartment too. And I'm just having a thought as I'm about to wrap this up. You know, these C3s, they're very susceptible to getting a lot of stone chips here. A lot, because this sticks out a lot. It's prone to it. There's probably just a couple. I had one before that was probably painted around the same time, not as taken care of, probably driven more, had way more stone chips. And this one again, nothing where it would. There's just a couple on this door jamb line. So I will fire it up real soon. Headlights go up and down as they should. I think all the gauges work, and all the lights work. So, thanks for watching, and we're going to fire it up right now. So here we go. Once again, 454, 365 horsepower, number matching. Fire it up. Oops.